Today we're going to be talking about AMC stock and whether or not they can hold this $10 level. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want 2 free stocks and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get all signed up. But without any further ado, let's get into today's stock, ticker symbol AMC or AMC Entertainment. Let's hop right into the first article. So today's article is coming from the Motley Fool, and I know a lot of you guys don't really like the Motley Fool, but sometimes they do have some good information to share. So I figured, I read the article, looks good, so I might as well talk about it. Quick little update on the market. We did have about a percentage drop on Thursday, but we regained even better today, and we are back to making new highs in the stock market. So all looks fine for now, but as soon as these new capital gains talks are actually legitimized, we could see some more uncertainty in the market. So just keep your eye out for a real statement from the White House, not something that just comes from Bloomberg that is rumored. But good news today, up about 1.5% compared to the percent drop we saw yesterday. So good bounce back in the market today. But today's article is going to be why AMC Entertainment is up 8% today. And then subtitle is better coronavirus data could be boosting confidence in theater operator. And this is what we've been talking about for a while at this point. So what happened? Shares of AMC Entertainment Holdings were rising 8% in morning trading Thursday, and this put them over into the $10 range, which is a key level that we had to get over and find support at, which I think we have, but we'll get into that in the technical analysis. So basically they go over rising or falling numbers of COVID-19 cases will impact AMC, as it will determine whether people are ready to return to movie theaters in large numbers. I can tell you that I went to the movie theaters in about a month ago in California, which is one of the more liberal states, which is not one I would have thought I'd be able to see a movie theater in, or a movie in. So the fact that movie theaters in California are opening up, it's a good sign. Movie theaters have been open for a while in Arizona. I know there's an AMC I can go to about 15 minutes from me here in Flagstaff in my college. So we're getting operating again, so we're going to start to see more revenue come in for these movie theater chains. Right now, Godzilla vs. Kong, which is actually the movie I saw in theaters right when it came out, from AT&T's Warner Bros., continues to dominate the box office with 80 million generated so far. So that's good, and they say, which isn't too bad considering theaters are operating at less than maximum capacity. Depends what states you're in, but yeah, they are operating at less than maximum capacity. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say that 40% of the U.S. population has received at least one dose of the vaccine and 26% are fully vaccinated. At the same time, the number of COVID-19 cases and the number of new cases continues on its downward trend. So all very good news. More certainty equals better returns in the stock market. I actually just got my second dose of the vaccine. I got a lot of heat for saying that on Instagram and TikTok. And really, I wouldn't have got the vaccine if I didn't have to get it in order to, talk to my family and friends. So if you guys want to comment, oh, you're a sheep for getting the vaccine, go ahead. It helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, anyways, back to AMC. Growing numbers of people who have vaccinated with falling rates of new cases bodes well for more state governments lifting lockdowns and mask mandates. I don't know about the mask thing. Masks will probably be necessary in all of the left-leaning states for a while, just because of the optics of it, most likely. 13 states no longer require wearing masks in public. I believe Arizona doesn't either. Now it's just up to private businesses. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis told people if they have been vaccinated, my view is the vaccines are effective, you're immune, and so act immune. Nice. That's why I want to move to Florida, guys. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so, and that's it for the Motley Fool article. Let's move over to the technical analysis. So obviously with this positive news coming out about AMC, shares were trading a lot higher. After a brief consolidation period, there was a lot of volume today and yesterday. So we saw a huge trend upward in the MACD, and then obviously whenever you see a spike in pre-market, the stock usually sells off throughout the day, which did happen. But then ever since then, it looks like we pretty much are trying to make support at $10. We're not quite there yet. We have dipped below $10 a few times today, but we'll see if we can make new support at $10. This is a new key level. We need to stay above $10. We met the resistance level a few times in the past week of $10. Or in the past couple of weeks, we have met that resistance line, but this recent news has put us over the top, and looks like we are trying to make support now at $10. Now, our next level that we're going to have to get over is going to be $10.65. It's going to be our resistance level. We'll see if we can make that happen within the next couple of days, but we're going to need to see some more positive data. The next resistance level after that is going to be about $11.50, and if we can get above that, we can be returning to about the $14 to $15 level. First level we're going to have to break is going to be $10.65. If we do that, next level is going to be the $11.50. $11.50, and then after that we'll be heading up to the 14 to 15. I'm not saying this is going to happen in the next couple of days, but it's looking like a positive trend reversal right here, and if we can make this new support at $10, that's going to be very positive for AMC over the next month or so. But yeah, we'll see if we can get to $14 to $15 in the next month or two. We'll need a lot more positive data just then. People are getting vaccinated though. But yeah, that's going to be it for the technical analysis. I'll see you in whatever I do next. As for my overall thoughts on AMC stock, I've said it once and I'll say it again. I'm very positive on the long-term outlook bullish on the long-term outlook of AMC stock. And even in the short term, now that we have made this new trend reversal and trying to make this new support at $10, I am pretty bullish in the short term, from like a week to a month, that we will be heading to at least between $11 and $15 in the next month. That's not a price target. I'm not a financial advisor. That's just where I could see this getting to. Most likely, realistically, we'll be at like $12 at the end of this month. But if we can break through that $11.50 early this month, then we could be seeing the $13 to $15 range. But yeah, so I don't think we get above that this month in the next month by any stretch of the imagination, but it's looking like we've seen a good trend reversal since hitting $8.03 or 30 cents. But yeah, so overall, very bullish long term, and honestly pretty bullish short term as well. But real quick, I want to remind you guys I'm not a financial advisor and that this is not financial advice. Make sure you seek out help from a professional financial advisor if you need it. But if you are interested in buying AMC stock and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You got to get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you got to do is make an account, deposit $100, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.